I just cannot stop talking about the Red Tea Detox system. My friends are so tired of me bringing it up, and my husband finally agreed to try it just to get me to shut up about it. Well, and he saw the wonders it worked for me, and he loves it, so it was really a godsend for me and my family. And I just cannot believe an entire African tribe was sitting on this amazing secret for so long. So where do I even begin with describing it? It's so simple to follow, and I never got confused about what I was supposed to be doing on that day. Liz makes sure to explain everything you need to know so that you never get tangled up with it. And I was a little worried about the tea at first, but once I actually tried it, I was actually blown away at how delicious it was. And plus, Liz gives you loads of different ways to prepare it, so I never got bored with it. Tea lattes, smoothies, slushies, even popsicles are all included. But most importantly of all, the Red Tea Detox actually really, truly works. And not just
a bit over the top, but honestly, I'll never be the same because of the Red Tea Detox, and I'm so thankful. I've always been incredibly embarrassed when it comes to my looks. I wasn't ugly per se, but I was never able to lose the extra weight around my stubborn areas. You know, the butt, belly, and thighs. I tried loads of different diets, mostly whatever was trending that month. And for the most part, they just never got me to the shape I wanted to be at. And I couldn't figure out why. I was doing everything right, but no matter how hard I worked at it, the weight just wouldn't come off like it was supposed to. Then one of my friends was talking about the Red Tea Detox. At first I thought it was just another diet that wasn't going to work for me, another dead end. But then he started explaining that one of the biggest reasons for stubborn weight problems is actually the buildup of toxins in the body. And beyond that, the fastest and best way of losing weight is by fully removing those toxins with a mysterious voodoo tea found deep in the heart of Africa. I knew I had to find out more. Before the Red Tea Detox, I had no idea how bad the problem was.
Is a comprehensive program by Swann Miller that is centered around the use of an ancient red tea that can help a person lose weight effectively. It is backed fully by science and it's prepared by an expert person in the field. Red Tea Detox Program offers quick, natural, and effective weight loss in a short time period. A person can lose up to 15 pounds in 2 weeks' time. The natural ingredients help to boost the metabolic functioning, burn excessive fats, increase immunity, and enhance energy levels. It is a comprehensive guide to lose weight. The main objective is to help a person reduce weight in a natural manner by means of natural ingredients. The key process is flushing of toxins from the body. This is done by means of a red tea that detoxifies the body. Not only does the tea detoxify and cleanse the body, but it also affords several other factors that all together contribute to weight loss. This includes a fast functioning metabolism that is in turn leads to natural fat burning. Moreover, the program
Welcome to my Red Tea Detox review. Red Tea Detox is a newly launched program by Swann Miller that makes you aware of how you can lose weight by just relying on a simple tea. This guide talks about the ingredients and recipe that the ancient Kenyan tribe in Africa used to suppress hunger while on the search for their next meal. As the name of the guide suggests, it gives one the recipe of red tea, a drink that can help one achieve his goals of getting a slender physique. Not only is it a natural approach, but also one that is backed by scientific research. Red Tea Detox Program can help you lose weight by doing 4 things. It controls hunger and curbs cravings. It also prevents mood swings and keeps one from feeling too sad so as to engage in emotional eating. It also eliminates the chances of gaining rebound weight that is caused by skipping meals. The tea switches on the inner metabolic switch, thus weight loss is accompanied by energy release minus the energy slumps. Digestive process is made faster and better. Toxins are washed away, and the overall working of the body